One of the most popular applications for infrared thermography is early fire detection. Imagine if you have a huge storage area or a big warehouse or even a waste bunker, and due to the sun radiation, due to a chemical reaction or even a short circuit, the temperature starts to rise and something catches a fire. Surely you could equip this area with smoke detectors, but by the time they have raised an alarm, it's probably already too late. The solution for this application is to use the IRSX camera. With this camera, you can detect very small increments in the temperature. So even if you have a smoldering fire that has not reached the surface yet, you would be able to detect it and fight it before it becomes critical. So now let's focus on the advantages of this great camera for this application. Now imagine the warehouse we mentioned earlier. Here we have some card boxes. In one of these card boxes we have hidden a heat source, but with the naked eye we cannot see it. Thankfully, we have positioned over there an IRSX smart camera. And if I look now on my screen, I can see we have a hotspot here. Now I am going to show you how easy it is to configure the camera for this hotspot detection. So if I go here to Jobs and click on the warehouse monitoring job, you will see that we have put here an area of interest that we have called stock number 1. And linked to this area of interest, we have this analysis function. So we are looking for the maximum temperature between this area of interest, and we are comparing it with a threshold called alarm limit. So if the maximum temperature is higher than the threshold we have set, then we can trigger an alarm. So you see, it's very, very simple. So you have seen how easy it is to configure the IRSX camera to raise an alarm signal. That alarm, you can pass it to a superior control system, either using the embedded digital outputs in the camera or through the supported IoT protocols. So it's fascinating how this compact masterpiece can provide a huge contribution to early fire detection.